A lot of parents are very scared to talk about death with their children because they think that if a child is exposed to death or a dead body of a relative or is taken to ritual for the dead people, then the child is going to be traumatized. We have in our clinical practice, or in my personal opinion, I have seen that children have to be age appropriately taught about death. They have to be prepared to know that if we are born, we have to die someday. Because when kids are protected and shielded from the concept of death way into teenage and adulthood, then these are the kids who find it extremely difficult to now face with the death of a near and dear one, and they cannot accept it. A lot of them develop lifelong fears and phobias around death or losing near and dear ones. I'm not saying expose a little child to a dead body, but I'm saying that in age appropriate language at different ages, talk to your child through stories and through metaphors, how even in animals and in the entire nature or on earth, whoever is alive has to go on someday, has to pass on. Many parents I see shield their children. They don't tell them if their grandfather, grandmother or relative has died. For months they hide it. And then these children, when they find out, they develop a huge sense of distrust, anger, and a lot of feeling of betrayal from the very parents who try to protect them, right? So it is very important that you have these conversations about dying with your children, not in a morbid way, but in a healthy way. And like every being in nature, death is a part of our life, just like food, water, clothes, sleeping, eating, etc. So do not shield your children from this reality of life. This is my point of view. I would love to hear what are your thoughts on this in the comments. Do let me know.